G'day gang, the sun's shining, the birds are singing, my Tattoo 5050 is fully charged. It's time to drain some power. Tyro 109 RDF build kit. This will be the last flight with my 5040L props on. Got some other props I'm going to try, so stay tuned for that. If you're looking at grabbing this, guys, this is a really good time to buy it, as there's a super sale on at the moment for Chrissy. So if you want to buy yourself a Christmas present, yeah, check out the link below. Otherwise, good to see you. Thumbs up, smash that bell so you get some new videos coming real soon of some new products, and hope you enjoy yourself. Happy viewing. Let's get cracking. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Have I mentioned how cool this thing is? If not, yeah, this thing's cool. Way cool. Oh, bit of wind. Alright, steady on. Hang on a minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okey doke. Let's just do a lap of the oval. Get away from this wind a bit. Oh, gee whiz. Alright, we'll slow things up a bit. Absolute pleasure to fly this thing is. Bit of wind. Let's bring it down here. I don't think the birds are too happy about me being here. I don't think. I think I'm stomping on their stomping ground. A couple of birds right next to me. I want to wait till they go. Okay. I don't really want to hit a bird if I can help it. These are nice props on here, guys, as you'll agree. We can go from ground level. They're fast. They're really fast props. Really fast. Crazy fast props. XM Plus receiver on this, guys, and yeah, I'll just show you, keep an eye on the RSSI there. We'll just do a little bit of a range test on it. Just a subdued one, nothing too crazy. We'll keep it low to the ground in case I fail safe, but we don't really want to hit the ground like that, do we? No. Okay, so come over here nice and slowly, avoid the poles. Some trees here I want to avoid as well, on the ground. It's a bit windy over there, guys. I'm having a little bit of trouble. Okay, no, wind. Still in the 70s, and I can't actually go any further. I've never actually gone this far before, and the RSSI is still really good. Good little performer, guys. Really good little performer. I love it. Okay, let's bring it home. The wind really caught it then. Okay. I was in fear of getting my head chopped off. The Tyro 109. Yeah, I love it. Whoa! Don't like the sound of that. Oh dear. That's what you get for being silly, guys. I've managed to go and mess up my props. I got it caught in the footy net, of all things. Bit of line of sight gone wrong. So I was going to put some new props on. However, Sky Pilot. Bit embarrassed. See you next time. Bye for now.